If you want to use any piece of legal document in India that actually originated and was executed in a foreign country, you need to get it appropriately legalized. This could be a complicated process unless the foreign country we are talking about here is Commonwealth member nation. Hi, I am Sugandh Anand, a startup advisor at Set India Biz, where we provide tax, compliance, and IPR services to businesses in India and at a number of locations abroad. In this video, we are going to discuss at length the quick and easy process of document legalization shared between all the Commonwealth member countries and how it is beneficial for foreign businesses setting up their subsidiaries in India. So, without much further ado, let's begin our discussion. What are Commonwealth member nations? Commonwealth member nations, formerly known as the Commonwealth Group of Nations, is a unique association of 54 independent countries which share their histories, values, and commitments to global cooperation on a wide range of issues such as trade, education, human rights, and environmental sustainability. These countries represent diverse cultures, languages, and religions, and they are spread across all continents of the world. For instance, there are 19 countries in Africa, 8 in Asia, 13 in the Caribbean and the Americas, 11 in the Pacific, which are part of the Commonwealth Group. These range from some of the richest and most developed nations to some of the most impoverished and least developed nations of the world. But what brings them together in their common historic culture and being a part of the Commonwealth Group gives a country innumerable benefits owing to mutually signed treaties and agreements. One of these benefits is the relatively easier way of document legalization followed among these countries. But before we get into its depth, let me first explain what document legalization is. What is document legalization and why is it important? Document legalization is a process which verifies the origin, execution, and validity of legal documents such as identity proofs, incorporation certificates, and utility bills for use in a foreign country. When a document is legalized, it is recognized as valid and legal in the foreign country and can be used for various purposes such as business transactions, legal proceedings, or educational pursuits. The process of document legalization typically involves several steps which may vary depending on the country where it is proposed to be used and the type of document. In general, the process may include number 1, notarization, where the document may need to be notarized by a public notary to verify the identity of the person signing the document and to witness their signatures on it. Number 2, certification, where the document may need to be certified by a government agency such as the Secretary of the State, the Department of Foreign Affairs, or an apostille office to verify the authenticity of the notary public's signature. And number 3, legalization, where the document may need to be legalized by the embassy or consulate of the foreign country where it will be used. Now that you have a brief idea of what document legalization is, let's discuss what its specific procedure for Commonwealth nations. Document legalization in Commonwealth nations. Well, the document legalization process among the Commonwealth nations depends on the specific rules of the nation where the document is proposed to be used. Whatever the process defined in these rules, rest assured that it will be way easier than the usual process followed in countries which are not part of the Commonwealth. Let's understand this better with an example. You know that India too is a part of the Commonwealth Group, right? Now, if a document originating from another Commonwealth country needed to be legalized for being used in India, what would be the process be? Procedure to legalize a document from a Commonwealth nation in India. Let's say a foreign company which belongs to any of the Commonwealth nations wants to open a wholly owned subsidiary in India? What are the ways in which it will legalize the required documents before submitting it to the concerned Indian authorities? Well, for this, we need to know specific provisions under the Indian Companies Incorporation Rules of 2014 regarding the legalization of overseas documents and the authenticated translations of non-English documents. Legalization of overseas documents. Before incorporating a subsidiary in India, a foreign company must make sure that all its overseas documents, such as incorporation certificates, board resolutions, and power of attorney, are properly legalized. For this, they can simply approach the Indian Embassy or the Indian Consulate located in the country of region and execution of these documents. If the country of origin is a Commonwealth nation, this process can be further streamlined through bilateral or multilateral agreements. Translation of non-English documents. If the document required for incorporation are not in English, they must be translated into English by an official translator or an authorized person before submitting it to the Indian authorities. The translated documents then should be certified for authenticity and accuracy by the translator, a notary public, or any other authorized person in the country where the documents had originated. The translation and certification needs to be done as per the provisions of the Companies Incorporation Rules or any other simplified process applicable between the concerned Commonwealth nation and India. What are the advantages of simplified process of document legalization in the Commonwealth countries? Setting up a subsidiary in India can be a daunting process, especially when it comes to document legalization. However, if you are from a Commonwealth country, you will benefit from a streamlined document legalization process that offers significant advantages over non-member countries. For instance, businesses from Commonwealth countries can benefit from bilateral or multilateral agreements that simplify or waive the need for an apostille or certification for certain documents. This reduces bureaucracy and makes the process of setting up a subsidiary in India more efficient and less cumbersome compared to non-member countries. Secondly, the ease of document legalization among Commonwealth countries allows businesses to save valuable time and resources that would otherwise be spent on obtaining apostilles or fulfilling additional legalization requirements. This helps create a competitive business environment as well. Furthermore, the streamlined process ensures that documents from Commonwealth countries are recognized and accepted by Indian authorities, reducing the risk of non-compliance and potential legal complications. In contrast, businesses from non-member countries may face additional scrutiny and have a higher likelihood of encountering compliance-related issues. Simplified document legalization also helps facilitate cross-border transactions such as opening bank accounts, obtaining licenses, and registering property, which are essential steps in setting up a foreign company subsidiary in India. In comparison, businesses from non-member countries may encounter additional challenges and requirements when undertaking these transactions. Finally, being from a Commonwealth country can give you a significant advantage when it comes to investing and collaborating in the Indian market. The ease of document legalization promotes foreign investment and collaboration from Commonwealth countries, fostering economic growth and development. Non-member countries may face higher barriers to entry, which could deter investment or hinder businesses' partnerships. With this, we come to the end of this video. Hopefully, it was exciting for you to learn about the simplified process of document legalization in Commonwealth countries. If you have any further questions, you can post them in the comment sections or contact our expert advisors directly for detailed guidance. The contact details mentioned in the description below. We also provide services of document legalization for foreign companies opening a subsidiary in India. So, if you need our assistance, you can visit our website and send us your request. Link is given in the description box. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content ahead. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you are the first one to get notified. Thank you for watching. Watch our other videos as well.